I won't waste your time. I just want to give you an update. I am working on a review of the DJI Mic 2. It is an amazing feature set on this new microphone, 32-bit float recording in the transmitters. You can transmit directly to a phone via Bluetooth. You can do direct transmission to the Pocket 3 camera from DJI. It's amazing. There's a lot of amazing features. I love the new kind of control dial. Everything is working pretty well. You're hearing what we're recording. And then when I was doing my tests, we ran into a problem. And that was this recording here. Go ahead and have a listen to this. Let me know what you think.
It was easier to know it than to explain why I know it. If you were asked to prove that 2 and 2 made 4, you might find some difficulty, and yet you are quite sure of the fact.
So I contacted my contact at DJI, said, hey, this doesn't sound right. Am I doing something wrong? What's going on? They went back, took it to the engineers. Engineers reviewed it for a few days. They came back and said, we think it's a bug and we are going to fix it with a firmware update. So that's where we're at right now. This is not the final review. I want to give DJI every opportunity. I think they're a solid company to make this right. So we're going to come back once that new firmware ships and we'll finish the review at that point. In the meantime, get out there, make some great sound. Talk to you next time.